like what you were saying, Mosey, off the air, it's like UST was able to flick the switch on and get their offense and defense going at the same time. And when that happens, it's a beautiful thing for UST. They're up 8-3. 5 points is their lead here in set number 3. LaSalle crowd getting themselves heard, while the UST crowd, of course, always present in each of their games. De La Vega. Off speed for him. Here comes Depante again, using the blockers and scoring.
UST gives a good first ball. Definitely, the attackers will be at that tail end of that whatever set Ukang is going to give. Ang dami niyang choices. Tapos meron pa siya sa likod. Pwede niya ibigay kay Torres and you know, a lot of choices for Ukang.
Free ball UST. Depante again. Wow, 3 straight points for Depante.
And this time again, through the blockers of De La Salle.
It was just a 4-point advantage, but now it's a 7-point lead for UST as we check in with Job De Leon.
Eric, the theme for the first 2 sets of UST has been quite evident, and that was too little, too late. Coach Emil is looking to change all that. He told the boys that you can't afford to just go through the motions. You have to play with more fire in your game. You can't be thinking of set 5, he says, because this set may be all we have. So he wants UST to play with more determination and more focus. He told them you do that by setting the ball up better, be more controlled with your hits, and have a lot of faith in yourselves. We're back to square one, coach said, and we have nowhere to go but up. Eric and Mosey?
All right, thanks, Job. They are playing indeed with a lot more desire in this set. Pecaña through the block of Bartolome, who's fresh off the bench for LaSalle. Santos will check in for Antonio. So a couple of new players on the floor. The coach Kailan.
Nakikita mo may konting trash talking now on the side of USC. Now that things are going their way, except for that service error on the part of Pecaña.
Pecaña has been on and off this entire match. But a solid 6-point advantage, UST. Growling Tigers on the attack. Ilano. Good save by Lee.
Oh, but terrible second ball.
That's Rivera. Unable to lift it for any hitter of LaSalle.
Serving Harvey Ilano.
Ilano had 13 points in LaSalle's, or make that UST's last game. Great dig by Pecaña. Here comes Depante. Defense better, floor defense better for UST. That's going to be 4 touches though, coming from Ramos.
Right, that was into the net. Ramos with the attack error hits the tape of the net.
Junjun Bartolome.
6-point lead, UST. The serve from Bartolome.
Loiras was there.
Over on the first ball from Makasaet. UST on the attack again. Depante, soft touch. Santos, hit from Lee on the way.
Now better floor defense for UST.
Depante picked up by Bartolome. Lee tries again. Blocked. Kept alive by Bartolome. Too close to the net. Punished by Ramos. Point UST.
Right, it was a gift given by the Archers to the Tigers.
That was a long rally. Ended with a hit from Ramos as you take a look at our instant replay brought to you by Shakey's. It's Fun Family Pizza. Depante serving. 13-6. Poor first ball from Makasaet.
This time it's DLSU's having a hard time with their first balls. Yung floor defense nila not as active from the previous 2 sets. Why? Because now USC is able to run their plays.
Service error.
Nakakatakbo na ng play because better reception for
Substitution, Mike
USC.
Antonio for Brent Santos.
Antonio checks back in for Santos as
Here's
Depante committed a
Luby.
service error. 7-point deficit for LaSalle. Nice serve. Torres. Ooh!
Baby
Found a
Torres.
way against two blockers with very little angle to work with. Take a look here. Sarado na yun eh.
Look at JP Torres. Hindi pa niya pinapadaan dun sa mas madaling side. Binigyan pa ng degree of difficulty.
And again, makasait. There's got to be...
Offside
Somebody
point for
check his
USD.
arm. Because the ball has been bouncing upwardly from him here in set number 3. Big lead for USD, 16-7 in set number 3.